What's so special about blue light? To my knowledge, the blue light from screens is just that, light of a blue wavelength. If that's the case, why does it have all these effects on the human body? With all the effects out there being linked to blue light from devices, how come the sky is perfectly fine to look at? Or if I wear a blue shirt, do I disrupt my sleep if I look in a mirror before bed? Neurobiologist here. In your retina, there's a specific set of cells called retinal ganglion cells that are sensitive to light, but are not really involved in vision, contrary to rods and cones. Those ganglion cells help your circadian rhythm to synchronize to the environment, daylight, and they are mostly sensitive to blue light. So using devices emitting a lot of blue light in the evening can impair your circadian rhythms. There's no other adverse effect of blue light actually. The link between sleep and blue light lies in its ability to regulate some hormones humans make. Humans can make hormones that help regulate our circadian rhythm, allowing us to sleep at night when it's safe and be awake and active during the day. One of the brain's cues for this is blue light. The specific blue light wavelength helps produce hormones telling the body it's time to be awake. So an overabundance of that wavelength can lead the body to overproducing those hormones, leading to a poor sleep schedule. This 2022 paper, reviewing research into various effects of blue light, seems to conclude that there's not enough research to definitively show negative or positive results from blue light exposure. Blue light may be bad for sleep, and it may have some positive cognitive effects. The percentages supporting each conclusion are marginal at best, though there's enough law out there in the general public that some device and software makers started adding blue light abatement features some time ago. They successfully marketed those features as being good for sleep, which is a hot button marketing issue because so many people have sleep issues. That sort of compounded the problem, because now people think that because those features exist, blue light must be bad in some way. More research is needed. I read one theory in a psychiatric book that says our stimulation from blue light is incredibly primal and dates back to life when it first existed in the ocean. The only light that could pierce through the water and stimulate life was blue. Apparently since then that stimulation to blue light has stuck around and is probably present in most animals. In addition to the other valid answer provided, keep in mind that, like with many things, popular media tends to overinterpret or exaggerate findings, especially when they try to observations in controlled experimental contexts to everyday life.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next exciting video.